Hello children, how are you doing? I hope you are staying safe. Ensure you wash your hands with running water for 20 seconds or use an alcohol-based sanitizer. Avoid touching of your eyes, your mouth, and your nose because the coronavirus can enter your bodies through these organs. You are welcome to mathematics class with Miss Wiwa Ledor from Sleek Angels International School, and I teach Primary 2. Today's topic is simple shapes, and in brackets I have symmetry. We all know what shapes are. We have a lot of basic shapes that we know already. If you look around you, all the objects around you comes in shapes. They can come in a circular form. They can come in triangular form. They can also come in a rectangular form. So today we're going to look at simple shape that has symmetric lines. And what is a symmetry? Symmetry are lines used to divide a shape into equal halves. Symmetry are lines used to divide a shape into equal halves. Now look at this shape. We all know that this is a triangle. Do you see this line right inside the triangle? This line is called a symmetry. It is used to divide this triangle into equal halves. The same thing applies to the rectangle you can see here. I've just used a symmetry to divide it into two equal halves. So that's what a symmetric line is. And those shapes that you can use a symmetric line to divide into halves have a general name. And what's the general name? Polygon. What is a polygon? Polygons are shapes that have 3 or more sides. Polygons are shapes that have 3 or more sides. Examples of polygons are, on the board here I have a shape. Do you know the name of this shape? I'm sure you know. This is a triangle. A triangle is an example of polygon. Why? Because it has sides. So now let's count how many sides a triangle has. 1, 2, 3. So a triangle has 3 sides. And it is an example of polygons. Now let's look at the next shape. I have here a shape. Can you name this shape? This is a square. And this square can actually be divided into 2 equal halves using a symmetric line. But let's find out how many sides has a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a square has 4 equal sides. And the next example is a shape that has 5 sides. This shape has 5 sides. And what is it called? It is called a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a pentagon has 5 sides. And the next shape here has 6 sides. And what is it called? This shape is called hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon. It has 6 sides. Hexagon is an example of polygon. Now let's go to the next shape. This shape is called hexagon. Hexagon has 7 sides. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So a hexagon has 7 sides. And the next shape here is called octagon. Octagon is spelled O-C-T-A-G-O-N. And it has 8 sides. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. An octagon has 8 sides, and it is also an example of a polygon. Octagon has 8 sides. Now let's look at the next shape. This shape here has 9 sides. And what is it called? It is called nonagon. A nonagon has 9 sides. Let's find out this together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So a nonagon has 9 sides. All these are examples of polygon. And remember, I told you that polygons are shapes that has 3 or more sides. And they can be divided using a symmetric line. They can be divided using a symmetric line into 2 equal halves. Now, let's try to do this activity together. Number 1. A triangle has dashed sides. Just write in how many sides a triangle has. Is it 4 sides? Is it 5 sides? Is it 6 sides? A triangle has dashed sides. Number 2. An octagon has dashed sides. An octagon has dashed sides. Write the number in the dash. Number 3. Dash has 5 sides. Which shape has 5 sides? Write the name of the shape in the dash. Dash has 5 sides. Number 4. Which shape has 9 sides? Which shape has 9 sides? Write the name of the shape. Number 5. A dash shape has 7 sides. Write the name of the shape that has 7 sides. Now let's try to find out the correct answers to these questions. Number 1. A triangle has 3 sides. Number 2. An octagon has 8 sides. Number 3. That shape has 5 sides. What's the name of the shape that has 5 sides? It's called pentagon. Number 4. Which shape has 9 sides? Which shape has 9 sides? It's called nonagon. A nonagon has 9 sides. Number 5. A dash shape has 7 sides. A shape with 7 sides is called hexagon. Good. Check out your answers and see if you got them all correct. Now I have homework for you. Your number 1 homework says, what are polygons? You write the meaning of polygons. And number 2, you draw a pentagon. Number 3, draw a hexagon. And number 4, a shape with 9 sides is called dash. Answer the following questions and send them to my WhatsApp number 080 38 72 9735. I hope you find the lesson interesting. And please remember to stay safe. I miss you all. We'll see you again very soon. Have a nice time.